Biryani. Biryani emerged in the Indian subcontinent during the Mughal period between the 16th and 18th centuries. Historians believe Persian cooking traditions influenced its development, particularly in royal kitchens. The dish combines basmati rice, meat or vegetables, saffron, yogurt, and complex spice blends. Layers are sealed and cooked using a technique called dum, trapping steam and preserving aroma. Hyderabad, Lucknow, Kolkata, and Malabar each developed distinct versions. The long rice grains remain separate while absorbing flavor. Today, biryani is considered one of India's most celebrated dishes and is frequently served at weddings and festivals. Butter chicken. Butter chicken was created in Delhi around 1947 by restaurateurs at the famous Moti Mahal restaurant. The dish originated as a solution for reusing unsold tandoori chicken. Cooks simmered roasted chicken in a sauce made from tomatoes, butter, cream, and aromatic spices. The dairy ingredients reduce acidity and create a silky texture. Unlike many regional curries, butter chicken is relatively mild, helping it appeal to international audiences. Its rich orange color and balanced flavor profile contributed significantly to the global popularity of Indian cuisine throughout Europe, North America, and Australia. Masala dosa. Masala dosa originated in southern India, particularly Karnataka, where fermented foods have been consumed for centuries. The batter is prepared from rice and black gram lentils soaked and fermented for up to 24 hours. Fermentation increases nutrient availability while producing a subtle tangy flavor. The batter is spread thinly on a hot griddle until crisp, then filled with spiced potatoes. Coconut chutney and sambar traditionally accompany the dish. The contrast between the crunchy exterior and soft filling has helped make masala dosa one of India's most recognized breakfast foods. Rogan Josh. Rogan Josh traces its roots to Persian cuisine before becoming a cornerstone of Kashmiri cooking. The dish gained prominence during Mughal rule when Persian culinary influences entered northern India. Traditionally made with lamb, yogurt, and aromatic spices, it develops a deep red color from Kashmiri chilies rather than excessive heat. Slow cooking allows connective tissues to soften while preserving moisture. The name roughly translates to heated oil or red heat. Its rich flavor and fragrant spice profile have made Rogan Josh one of the most famous dishes associated with Kashmir. Palak Paneer. Palak Paneer combines spinach with paneer, a fresh cheese widely used throughout northern India. Paneer production dates back centuries and remains popular because it does not require aging. Fresh spinach is cooked with garlic, ginger, and spices before being blended into a smooth green sauce. Cubes of paneer are then simmered gently within the mixture. The dish is valued for its combination of protein, calcium, and iron. Its creamy texture and earthy flavor demonstrate how Indian cuisine often balances nutrition with complex layers of taste. Tandoori chicken. Tandoori chicken originated in Punjab and became internationally famous during the mid-20th century. The dish is prepared by marinating chicken in yogurt, lemon juice, and spices before cooking it inside a clay oven known as a tandoor. Temperatures inside traditional tandoors can exceed 480 degrees Celsius. The yogurt helps tenderize proteins while allowing spices to adhere to the surface. Intense heat creates a smoky aroma and charred exterior while keeping the meat juicy. Tandoori chicken later inspired several globally recognized dishes, including butter chicken and tikka preparations. Vada Pav. Vada Pav emerged in Mumbai during the 1960s as an inexpensive meal for factory and textile workers. The dish consists of a spiced mashed potato fritter coated in gram flour batter and deep fried until golden. It is served inside a bread roll called pav, accompanied by garlic chutney and fried green chilies. The combination delivers contrasting textures of crisp coating, soft potato filling, and fluffy bread. Often called the Indian burger, Vada Pav became a symbol of Mumbai's street food culture because of its affordability and convenience. Pani Puri. Pani Puri is believed to have originated in eastern India centuries ago before spreading across the subcontinent under various regional names. The dish consists of hollow fried shells filled with potatoes, chickpeas, and flavored water made from tamarind, mint, herbs, and spices. The shells must remain crisp until consumption, creating a dramatic texture contrast. A single serving can deliver sweet, sour, spicy, salty, and umami flavors simultaneously. This complex sensory experience has made Pani Puri one of India's most popular and widely recognized street foods. Dhokla. Dhokla originated in Gujarat and has been consumed for hundreds of years. The dish is prepared from fermented gram flour or rice and lentil batter that is steamed rather than fried. Fermentation introduces beneficial microorganisms and contributes a light, airy texture. After steaming, the cake-like snack is seasoned with mustard seeds, curry leaves, and green chilies. Dhokla's porous structure allows it to absorb flavors while remaining remarkably soft. Its combination of protein, relatively low fat content, and distinctive tangy taste has made it a staple throughout Western India. Gulab Jamun. Gulab Jamun evolved from medieval desserts influenced by Persian and Central Asian culinary traditions. The sweet is made from khoya, a concentrated milk solid produced by slowly evaporating moisture from milk. Small balls are shaped, deep-fried until golden brown, and soaked in sugar syrup flavored with cardamom, saffron, or rose water. The name combines words referring to rose fragrance and the jamun fruit. As syrup penetrates its the porous structure, the texture becomes exceptionally soft and moist. Gulab, Jamun remains one of the most beloved desserts served during Indian festivals and celebrations. Subscribe to discover a new food every week.